Hey guys, what's up? In this video I'll be going over how to go ahead and get your Aliexpress account appealed and verified. I literally take you guys through the whole process. I show you guys the documents I upload, I show you screenshots of the actual documents I uploaded, I show you guys the whole process and how to troubleshoot it and what to do when you can't appeal and when errors come up. So this is basically an A to Z guide, and I hope you guys enjoy this video. Peace. Alright, as you can see, we have to view appeal. We aren't able to pay and purchase any products with our credit card, and I'm going to go ahead and appeal it and take you guys through the whole process. So click appeal. As you can see, I got several different appeals accepted in the past, but it's time to get this card accepted. So you're going to want to start with ID verification. So I'm going to upload my driver's license. Next, I'm going to upload a picture of my card. So I'm going to take a photo of it right now. Awesome, I sent through the photos of the credit card. Go to my downloads. First, I need to convert the photos. Alright, time to upload the photo of the card. I gotta get a screenshot of the statement, which I could get on my phone. Alright, so I just emailed it to myself. Let's get to my mail. Here it is. Let's open up the statement. Upload picture of statement. Here it is, edit it. Please allow me to appeal the card in ending 6898 and card ending in 1001. Submit. As you can see, the photos are being uploaded on the bottom left hand corner. It's like at 50%, so you just need to wait for it to all upload. Okay, so when this happens, when it says system is used, please try again later, that means you have to go ahead and talk to Aliexpress customer support. Hey guys, what's up? So it's been a few days and Aliexpress got back to me with this sort of notice. What I actually did was I came back to Aliexpress, I clicked the appeal button. After talking to customer support, I was told that my files have to be under 3 megabytes. So that was the issue I ran to. All the IDs, all the screenshots, because you're taking photos on iPhone and the photos are massive. They're like 5, 6, 7 megabytes. So I compressed it, made it under 3 megabytes, sent it in, and as a result, the appeal just disappeared. It took probably roughly 2 days and the appeal disappeared, and it was the exact same document that I showed you guys in the earlier video. I just sent in the exact same documents but made sure they're under 3 megabytes, and as a result they got appealed. So it's easy as that. I don't think anyone literally has brought you through the whole process just because no one has, and I know that a lot of people go through this issue. I wanted to give a step-by-step guide and just give it away. A lot of people are trying to upsell you, get you in their one-on-one mentorship program, but I just want to give value before asking for anything in return. But other than that, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Hope you were able to follow this step-by-step guide easily. If you have any questions whatsoever, leave in the comments below. If you want to work with me one-on-one, check out the mentorship form in the description below. As well, check out all the free resources in the description. There's a bunch. I got free courses, free product research methods, like a lot of resources in the description below, so please check that out. But other than that, hope you guys liked the video. Last but not least, don't forget to subscribe, and I'll be seeing you guys tomorrow. Peace.
Yeah, yeah.